Hi guys, welcome to another great website with a great sheet about Bitcoin price, Bitcoin trends, forecast and so on. I've been showing you in the last days a couple of such sites and charts and so on, and this is the last chart for the moment, which I'm going to show you because I did a little bit of research and I found a couple of things, so I made videos about each one of them, and this is the last one and also one of the very best ones I have found, and it's called the Barchart Opinion. And when you click on strengths and direction, I mean, usually when you come in, you have this on opinion, you can click on strengths and direction and you get everything. And the most important thing, of course, this is your condensed opinion, what you get, what you want, decision maker, if to buy or to sell. I'm not saying it is always reliable. This definitely will be wrong at some times, but it is again a neutral thing, decision maker, something, or almost I said somebody to give you advice when to sell or to buy on a neutral base, without any emotions, without any FOMO, based on Telegram channels, YouTube channels where everybody is freaking out and crying for $20,000 Bitcoin when it's going up, and as soon as it goes down for a couple of days, everybody is crying and whining and saying it's going down to zero and it's worthless. So this is just based on facts and numbers, and we have the indicator here, we have the composite, we have the short-term indicator, we have the medium, and we have the long-term, and they have a couple of details, and they are each condensed to a number. Here we have the short term, we have it condensed to a 60% buy, the medium 50% buy, and the long-term indication of a 100% buy. We have really good indicators. We have a really good mix of a lot of different things. We have some moving averages, directional indicator, moving average price, MACD oscillator, Bollinger Bands, really famous thing, commodity channel index, moving and MACD oscillator, so many different things, so many different aspects. And yeah, when you are buying based on this thing, you will be sure that you will be millionaire in a couple of weeks. No, of course, that won't happen for sure, but it could give you really a good indication of what to do. I mean, always make your own decision. Ask your professional financial advisor as always, but this thing could give you a really good impression. I mean, just make I'll put down the link into the description so you can really make a bookmark or leave it open every day and check every day. If you have invested some money into that could give you definitely some advice what to do or not what to do. I mean, if you rely only on that, yeah, maybe you could lose money. Of course, it's always possible. It's not a money maker on its own. Otherwise, people would just sitting here doing what this thing tells, and everybody would be a millionaire and sitting at the beach and doing nothing. So it is not so easy, but I think at certain conditions it will probably give you much more than 50% chance, especially during a bull run. I mean, you have to make up your own mind. You have to determine if we are in a bull market or in a bear market. If you believe we are in a bear market, it's probably not worth to buy based on this thing. But if you believe we are in a bull market, we have good fundamentals, we have everything is good in Bitcoin. Yeah, why not buy and sell based on these things? You never know, could be a good thing. So we have also a snapshot opinion. That's good. Yesterday, last week, last month, we see a little bit of trend. We also have the support and resistance. I mean, it's the other page which I've been showing you lately. I mean, when you click on that, you get the full page, but here you get just a small condensed view with the first resistance point and second resistance point, and also first support level and second support level if it's going down. That's really interesting. And if you have a lot of money in here, maybe it would be worth to get some alerts. You can click on that and create some alerts. There is some premium version here available. Of course, it will cost some money. I've seen that 1 year $200 if you make $1,000, $10,000, maybe it's worth it. I don't know. I mean, I have never tried. I'm not related to them. I'm not affiliated with them, not in any kind. But the chart and everything looking really good to maybe give it a chance. I don't know. I have never seen such a good page. Maybe there are other pages, similar pages. Maybe there are even better pages around. I don't know. But this looks really, really good. I mean, usually you would have to check a lot of Telegram channels, YouTube channels, and so on to hear about all these trend lines and oscillators and bands and all those things. So here you can get to a page, or you set up your alert and you get an alert in your text message or email or whatsoever. And real time, you don't have to wait till somebody comes up with a signal or with a new video on YouTube or whatsoever. You get the indication right away, and then you can decide what to do. I think this is a really awesome thing. And I mean, I'm in the crypto space since 2 years, and I haven't seen something like that. That really looks awesome to me. I'm not saying, yeah, it's 100% reliable. It definitely is not. There are situations where you will lose money even with such a thing, but I think it's way, way better than a lot of other things. Just people talking or saying something, or like having a feeling, or yeah, all these things which tends you to lose money. So yeah, that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, or maybe have even better websites found with better indicators and so on, please leave anything in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.